Once upon a time, in the heart of the magnificent Ottoman kitchens, among great copper cauldrons, time-worn wooden spoons, and the soft sound of palace servants' footsteps, a dish was born that was meant to please the king and to win the hearts of the people. At that time, to prepare Hünkar Beğendi, the eggplants were not fried. They were given to the fire. They were roasted over hot coals, their skins burning away while their insides remained soft and smoky. That smoky flavor was the true soul of Beğendi and the secret of its grandeur in the Ottoman kitchens. The onion sat on the cutting board, a little shy, with its brown skin like the roots of old tales. When its turn came, it slowly prepared itself. The grater, like a wizard, was ready to reveal its secrets. With every stroke of the grater, the onion's layers gently separated, and its watery drops fell on the board like tears of joy. Its sweet, slightly sharp aroma filled the air, turning the kitchen into a magical field where every slice of onion had a story to tell. And when the last piece was grated, the onion smiled proudly. Now I'm ready to bring life and flavor to any dish I join. In the heart of the kitchen, all the little heroes were ready for their big moment. The butter, golden and soft, winked from the pot. The pizza cheese played mischievously with its stretchy moves, and the milk, calm and gentle like a soft cloud, prepared everything. The eggplant, with its purple skin and tender flesh, was ready to add its flavor. And now, the flour entered, white and powdery, like soft snow on the stage, ready to bind everything together and give the mixture shape. The spices, with their magical colors and aromas, waited to create the final flavor. When everything came together, the pot became a scene of magical dance. The butter melted and gleamed, the flour held everything together, the milk and cheese stretched and blended, the eggplant softened, and the spices filled the air with enchanting scents. Every stir, every swirl, was like a musical note of deliciousness echoing through the kitchen. And when the bechamel was ready, grated onion joined with its sweet and sharp tears, whispering, "It's time for us to come together." The chickpea flour, white and soft like a magical cloth, was ready to bind everything and bring order. The spices, with their vibrant colors and enchanting aromas, floated through the air, while the small but powerful garlic, with its sharp sweet scent, thrilled everyone. The egg gently cracked and, with its golden glow, connected everything, creating a smooth and marvelous mixture. As everything was stirred together in the bowl, the meat mixture came to life, full of energy and ready for adventure, eager to become the heart of the dish. And together they all exclaimed, "Now we're ready to turn every bite into an explosion of flavor and joy." In the kitchen, the meat mixture in the bowl waited excitedly. Meat, onion, chickpea flour, garlic, egg, and spices had gathered together, laughing and ready for action. Suddenly, the cook's hands appeared like a kind wizard. He began taking portions of the mixture and rolling them between his palms, and each piece transformed into a small, perfectly round ball. The little balls, neat and uniform, stood in line like soldiers ready for a great adventure, waiting for the next stage. And together they all said, "Now we're ready to conquer the world of food with our deliciousness." In the kitchen, a frying pan waited on the stove, and the golden oil inside shimmered like a hot, sparkling lake. The little meatballs, small and ready, lined up side by side, feeling a mix of excitement and a bit of fear. The oil with its heat said, "It's time to show your true flavor." One by one, each meatball proudly jumped into the pan. The sizzling sound and the delicious aroma that rose from their meeting with the oil filled the entire kitchen. As the meatballs fried, they curled slightly, turned golden, and finally exclaimed with joy, "We're ready to turn every bite into a celebration of flavor." The fried meatballs rested in the pan, happy to be golden and aromatic. Suddenly, the tomato paste entered the scene, red and shiny, like a magical knight joining the group. The tomato paste spoke in its thick, smooth voice. "Hello, friends! It's time for our true flavor to shine." And it was poured gently into the pan. The meatballs and the oil smiled together, while the spices danced joyfully in the air. The tomato paste gave everything color and life, and with every stir, a delightful aroma filled the kitchen. And together they all exclaimed, "Now we're ready to turn every bite into a delicious adventure." In the heart of the kitchen, the creamy, fragrant bechamel with soft golden eggplant was ready. The fried golden meatballs, with their mouth-watering aroma, stood a little excited beside the bechamel. The pizza cheese, stretchy and playful, winked from the side, ready to tie everything together. Everyone looked at each other and smiled. The bechamel said, "Hello, friends! Now it's time for us to become a delicious team." The meatballs replied, "We're ready." And the pizza cheese, stretching between them, said, "And I'm here to make everything even tastier." When they all came together, a magical combination was formed. Tender, aromatic eggplant, energetic meatballs, and stretchy cheese united, filling the kitchen with delightful aromas and a sense of adventure. And together they exclaimed, "Now we're ready to turn every bite into a celebration of flavor." In the kitchen, all the heroes were ready to reach the final stage of their journey. The soft, aromatic eggplant, golden meatballs, and stretchy cheese were gathered together, buzzing with excitement. Suddenly, the oven door opened and its warm, golden heat said, "It's time for you to reach the peak of deliciousness." The little heroes respectfully and eagerly entered the oven, neatly arranged on a baking tray. 30 minutes passed, full of magic and delightful aromas. The cheese slowly melted and stretched, the meatballs became perfectly cooked and fragrant, and the eggplant softened and turned even more golden. With each passing minute, their combination grew tastier and more aromatic, filling the entire kitchen with excitement. And when the timer went off, they all shouted together, "We're ready! Now every bite is a celebration of flavor and adventure." Now you too can make this royal Ottoman dish at home and enjoy it. For more stories from different countries, be sure to subscribe to the Sepi Food channel and check out the rest of our posts. Love you all.